What's up, y'all? Today I want to talk about the cleaning tools that you need to easily keep your place spotless daily. You see, when your place looks clean, it smells clean, and most importantly feels clean, the days just seem to go a whole lot smoother. Now, I've said this before, and I'll say it again for the people in the back, that when your place is clean, you feel good. And when you feel good, you perform good. So today I'm gonna show you exactly what cleaning tools that you need to keep your place looking incredible on a daily basis so that you can always feel your best and perform at the highest level. Let's jump into it. First up is the Dupre Steam Cleaner. Man, this thing right here is such a game changer, especially when it comes to deep cleaning when you don't want to use a bunch of chemicals all over your home. What I love about it is how versatile it is. You can use it on kitchen surfaces, stainless steel, tile, bathrooms, floors, and even furniture depending on what attachment you use. I use it all the time on my outdoor and indoor sofas, and you can tell a difference quite noticeably. And there's just something satisfying about seeing that steam break down dirt and grime in real time. It makes your place feel clean for real, especially in areas like the bathroom or kitchen where bacteria and buildup can happen pretty fast. Trust me, once you start steam cleaning consistently, it's really difficult to go back. Next up, you have to have a cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, you don't have to have a $700 Dyson V15 vacuum like I have, okay? That's totally not necessary. But I do feel like everyone should own a cordless vacuum cleaner at some point. It just makes cleaning so much easier because you're not dragging cords all around your home trying to find outlets every 5 minutes, and they tend to be lighter in weight than your corded vacuums. Now, for me, I keep mine in an area where it's easy to get to, so whenever I see crumbs, dust, dirt, whatever, it's handled immediately. And I think that's the key right there, having cleaning tools that make you want to clean more often. Especially if you have hardwood floors, rugs, I know some of you out there have pets, or you work from home like me, having a cordless vacuum just keeps your place in check daily without feeling like a whole production. All right, moving on, let's talk about the Swiffer Power Mop. Now, this is probably one of the easiest ways to keep your floors noticeably cleaner throughout the week without having to pull out a giant mop bucket setup. And for me personally, I like cleaning in layers. So I vacuum first, then follow right up with the Power Mop. It's quick, it's lightweight, and honestly perfect for everyday maintenance cleaning if you choose to use it that often, especially if you live in an apartment or a smaller space. A couple passes through the kitchen, bathroom, entryway, and your floors instantly look refreshed. Plus, the scent from the solution smells really good, and it's very noticeable once you get done mopping up your entire place. Coming in at number 4 is the electric spin brush. Now, this right here is for the people who hate manually scrubbing. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to sit there manually scrubbing soap, scum, and grime for an hour. Which in my shower, that's how long it usually takes me, and my arm is done afterwards. The electric spin brush does all the work for you. I use mine mostly in the bathroom, on the shower floor, shower walls, the toilet, and even the sink area. Now, no, I'm not using the same brush attachment for each area. However, it is super easy to switch them out for another and continue on with your cleaning. All you have to do is let the brush rotate, apply a little pressure, and make sure you keep this thing steady because it is powerful. And that's it. It makes deep cleaning feel less exhausting, and the result is just as good, if not better, than when you're manually scrubbing. Number 5 is the Swiffer Extendable Duster. Now, one thing about dust is it builds up fast, especially if you have electronics, ceiling fans, blinds, shelves, all that. And it's usually out of sight, out of mind, right? Yeah, until you can't figure out why you're sneezing every 5 minutes or you're even having trouble sleeping at night. You gotta tackle that dust in your home issue. So having an extendable duster makes it way easier to reach those higher areas that normally get ignored. And I like having it because when I don't feel like really wiping things down with a cloth, but I do want to refresh the room, the Swiffer duster comes in super clutch for that. And it's one of the items I highly recommend everyone have in their home because it really does come in handy. Next up, let's talk about having a deep carpet cleaner. Now, this is one of those tools, much like the steamer, that once you start using it, it's so hard to go back, especially if you have carpeted rooms, rugs, pets, or heavy foot traffic throughout your place. You see, vacuuming is cool for surface dirt, but deep carpet cleaning pulls out all the hidden stuff you don't even realize is sitting in your floors. And after you use one, the whole room just feels refreshed. It smells cleaner and it looks noticeably brighter. You just have to make sure you let the carpet dry when you get done using the cleaner. Probably takes a few hours, but that's okay for much cleaner carpets. Now, once you get one of these, I recommend cleaning your carpets and rugs every couple months consistently. It's one of those things where once you see the dirty water afterwards that comes out of this, you realize how necessary it really is to have one of these machines. And with this particular bottle that I have, you just remove the dirty water container and empty it out after you use it, making it really that simple for the whole process. And last but not least, number 7 is always having microfiber cloths. Listen, these right here are low-key one of the most important cleaning tools you can have in your place because they work on pretty much everything. I'm talking tables, mirrors, TVs, wiping down items, bathroom surfaces, kitchen surfaces. I mean, you name it, they'll take care of it. And what I like about these cloths the most is that they actually grab dust and dirt instead of just pushing it around like regular paper towels sometimes do. Plus, they're reusable, easy to wash, and you can keep a stack of them around the house for different areas. I myself always keep a few under the kitchen sink and a couple in the bathroom because they just make quick cleanups so much easier. These cloths are simple, affordable, and honestly, something every clean home needs, period. And there you have it, guys. Those are the 7 cleaning tools that will keep your place spotless every single day. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like down below and comment below your own personal go-to cleaning tools that you keep in your home. Or just say what's up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. And as always, links to all of these items will be down in the description. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.